What's up guys, today I'm going to the Albany Classic event, which is on today. If you don't know what it is, it's just a bunch of old cars that race around town, and there's a lot of cool cars that come down for show. So it's not something you see every day because it's a year-round thing, and I decided I'd film it and try and make a cool video out of it. So yeah, enjoy guys, and yeah, let's get to the video. But it's actually raining right now, so I don't really want to jump out of my car because I'm going to get rained on. You know, I'll just wait till it clears up and then I'll hop out because, yeah, it's not worth it. Okay, it stopped a little bit. I might just go now. Oh, fuck this. Okay. Oh, shit. Not bad. GC8. Damn, this thing's clean. Whew. Shit, I like that. Wow, 911 is mean. Damn, so many good cars here. I feel bad, I just saw some dude touch someone else's car. Not cool. P-plates, what?
Use of fossil fuels, and of course a big change in motorsport just over the last couple of years has been the, we used to use aviation fuel.
Pop up headlights. Bro, this thing looks like a little toy car. Little Hot Wheels. I love the little wheels on it. It looks so small and cute. To my ears, it's so loud. I think Daniel's coming in, so you guys will be probably seeing him soon. Damn. They even got limos here, what? It's awesome. That thing's a little rocket, it was so loud. That would be so fun to drive. So low. Some of these cars are hell stancy. The wheels just like that. So annoying because the only way to cross the street is to go up this massive overpass, and there's only like one all the way up here, so you have to walk a fair bit. Maybe I'm just lazy. Oh well. Alright, Daniel's coming in, so we gotta go find him. We found him. Hello my friend. Don't touch me. Let's go look at some cars. It's so nice. Black as well. It looks like a Only two. Apparently two. The plates are pretty clean. There's Mazda on it. That is a clean plate.
Oh, I keep missing.
Can't park there, mate. Off he goes. Such a legend. He's definitely on drugs.
Winner of the first event, and then there'll be something for you to take home because you've got a bit of a downfall, and if you've lost your debit card, the Commonwealth Bank is...
There's a lost debit card, I might go claim it. I was just touched by a random old man. That's what we'd like to hear.
We just saw Ben and Francis, and we're gonna go find them.
Trying to track them down.
Yes. What's up, boys?
We found you.
I've been vlogging all day, man. Cozy.
Oh yeah.
You can just hear in the back. This is Francis' new plates. Cozy. Cozy in the Scooby. Bro, it looks so good on the GoPro. Fuck yeah. Alright, we're just gonna go get some food. We're done with the cars. Oh shit. Yeah, we're pretty hungry, so yeah, we might go to Subway or Macca's. Either one.
Hello, Daniel.
That thing is so clean. Bro, this thing is so clean.
I'm in the same boat as Kyle.
Oh, just came.
Subway. Look, we're matching.
Foot long.
Oh,
We're not being fat today.
we're actually being healthy for once. Alright guys, that's the end of the vlog. Hopefully this video turned out good and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.